So what are chef's tips for dosing your food with cannabis? Chef Michellee breaks it down.
I think the most important part is to master the volume of THC for CBD per recipe. I would start between 1 and 2.5 milligram THC edibles and make sure to write it down and do test kitchen. Test kitchen is really important. Try the first recipe, measure the amount of THC, figure it out how long you're putting it in the oven, write it down like a diary. The hardest part, I think, is the over usage of THC. So I like to do things like, for example, if I'm making a cookie, I'll make a couple of THC cookies, but then I'll make the same version of the same cookie with the CBD. So then you can eat one CBD cookie, one THC cookie, and then you fill it out. And then you go again, one CBD cookie, one THC cookie, and keep on going until you don't want to eat cookies anymore. I cannot express how important it is, the balance between CBD and THC when you're consuming, because it balances each other. So if I do a 2.5 milligram of THC, I will do a 5 or sometimes 7.5 CBD. I think that, when we first started this whole revolution of eating cannabis, nobody really had access to CBD. It makes a difference when you're consuming both.